Kanchan and you're watching me on Innovative Kids channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious potato rings. To make the potato rings, first you have to grate some garlic. Grated garlic is ready. Now let's take 1 cup of rava. Let's grind the rava in a blender. So for this recipe we need some smashed boiled potato, some rava, garlic and some chili flakes. Now take a pan and put some butter. Now add the grated garlic. Add the chili flakes too. Roast it well. The butter and garlic gives a nice aroma. Add in the rava. Add in the boiling water. Let the rava get cooked well. Now add the mashed potato. Now add this chopped coriander leaf. Add some pinch of salt and some corn flour too. Mix everything and form as a dough. Now let's roll it and make some rings. I use the bottle caps to make the rings. You can make it whatever shape you like. Let's make another one. It is easy to remove like a clay dough. Wow, the rings are so perfect. It looks good now. Likewise, we can make more rings with the remaining dough. Let's fry the rings in oil. until golden brown. It looks so tempting now. Fry the remaining rings as well. Now it's ready. It will be so good when you eat in a rainy day. Now I'm going to taste my potato rings. It's so crunchy outside. It is so soft and inside. So yummy and delicious. Try it in your home. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.